made it back to the truck. Made it through the first problem, which was the starter didn't want to start. Now I'm gonna start taking out the AC evaporator coil. Well, I've got the seat out. It's in the back of the Land Cruiser. I got the hood open. I got the air filter changed. Now I gotta get this air box down here apart. So it's an adventure on the road. And I'm just right here, you know, on the side of the street. I think we found the problem. Yep. It's a freaking miracle that the AC even worked at all. Yeah, I'll be here a while. Well, not only do I drive a Legend, the metaphorical kind, these guys build the literal ones. They're kind enough to let me use a parking spot and a shop vac, so more to come. Before I get underway, Nick's gonna show me the cold start on the Legend. Sure would like to drive one of those out of here. Instead, I'm gonna spend today getting more debris out of the evaporator cooler. Water hose inside the truck. Not really looking forward to this, but here we go. Hear it draining. That's a good sign at least. That's a lot of water. It's right next to the ECU, man. Why we do that? Well, I got more of it dry and put the box back up in there. That was easier than I thought it was going to be. Hopefully the AC works after all this. I'm tired. It's working! Legend Motor Co. certainly is a legend for me. Help me out with this. Shot back in the parking space. Maybe one day I'll buy one of their trucks. In the meantime, thanks y'all.